Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this ODEC Air Purifier H13 for bedroom or other smaller or intermediate size rooms. It has a HEPA filter and it's very quiet. And it has a lot of functions and features, especially for this class. It's absolutely amazing, and it starts already with the packaging. By the way, that's the simple box, but here we have it. It looks really nice, very beautiful. We have the control panel here on the top, and to start we have to remove two stickers here on both sides. One is here and one is here, and then we can rotate this counterclockwise, and here we have the filter already inside. Of course, we have to remove the plastic, and it's not only the filter here inside but also the power supply. Can see that here, also very innovative packaging. I've never seen that before. So here is how it looks inside. So it's very easy to add or replace the filter when it's needed. And by the way, there's an indicator light here on top which will flash when it's at the end of the lifetime, and then you can long press here on the on off button, I think for 5 seconds, and then it will reset it. So we align the lid here until there is no gap anymore, like this, and then we rotate it clockwise to fully close. You can also see the 4 soft rubber feet here which protect your furniture and make that it has a safe stand. What we also get is this helpful instructions manual. I'm not going to spend too much time on that, but here you can see the specs, and of course the most important thing, the operating instructions and the details about purification technologies. It has this 3-stage filter with the pre-filter and the true HEPA filter and the activated carbon filter. Some details about the purification process, maintenance, filter change, troubleshooting. Then we plug in the power supply and plug the other end into the device. Then it's already ready. And it's very easy to use. We turn it on with a short press. Then we have the 3 different settings, and you can already hear how quiet this really is on the lowest setting. I stopped talking for a couple of seconds so you can hear how silent this really is. So this is absolutely amazing, and this wouldn't be any problem to sleep on the side if you have this in your bedroom. Absolutely perfect, but we can increase it to medium or even high level if you need strong filtration for a moment. And if you're worried about the cost of the power consumption, I can tell you don't have to be afraid of that. If you have it on the lowest power, you can see that here it's not even consuming 1 single watt, which means this would be around 75 cents per year. This is not per day or per week or per month. This is the cost per year, 75 cents on this level. And if you add the light on top of that, it's only 1.2 watts, which means $1.20, 27, something like that. Very, very low. And even when we go to the highest setting, which is really strong, it's still not consuming a lot, and we are still below 4 watts, which means below $4 again per year. And here on the right side we have the different timer setting. Starts with 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, but we have even more. When we push again, we have 8 plus 2 means 10 hours, then 8 plus 4 means 12 hours, and press again, and then it goes back into the continuous mode. And on top of that we have the nice night light illumination, which you can see. It's working totally independent from the filtration, so we can at any time turn it on or off. It's a beautiful light, really nice warm light, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. So I would say this is absolutely amazing what we get in this class here. I didn't expect that. So beautiful, absolutely amazing features, a lot of functions, so I can highly recommend it. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and load it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.